Hi, my name is Troy Waldman. I'm the Director of Business Development for Waldman Engineering Consultants. I wanted to talk today about LiDAR. This is a technology we've used for the last couple of years. We're really excited about it. I think it is really revolutionizing the building inspection and structural engineering services that we provide. So I wanted to just discuss what it is, how we use it, and how it can help you, our potential clients. So what is LiDAR? LiDAR is an acronym. It stands for Light Detection and Ranging. It is, you can think of it as a more advanced version of the electric tape measures. So if you've ever used one of those tape measures that you stand on one side of the room, you press the button, it'll shoot a laser out and it'll tell you how far you are from the wall based on basically how long it takes that laser to hit the wall and bounce back. This LiDAR system that we use, it's this device, will take thousands and thousands of those laser measurements. So essentially we set it up on a tripod, outside a building, inside a building, on top of a building, and it'll spin in 360 degrees. It'll take photos in that full range, and then it'll spin around again, and it'll take laser measurements in that range, utilizing a mirror on the inside of the device that'll bounce that laser off. And it gives us very accurate information, accurate to about 1/4 of an inch. And we are using this on virtually every project we're doing that requires a plan of repair and drawings. It's just the most efficient way for us to put that together. You know, it cannot be overstated how much time this saves us in the field and the detail, the level of detail that we get in the measurements that we're taking. So specifically, we're using this on foundation projects. If there's a building that someone believes is settling, there are warped floors, we can take scans on the exterior of the building. We can take scans on the interior of the building and match those up. We can see perhaps where one roof-to-wall intersection might be higher than the other. We can see where the floor is warping or bowed. We can use this on if there are buildings that have leaks, again, we can see wall thicknesses, we can see all of the roof-to-wall intersections on the exterior and interior of the building, and put together drawings and very accurately notate where the water is getting into the building. One of the issues that we come across is when blueprints are put together for a building, when it's being constructed, buildings aren't always constructed the way that the blueprints lay out the structure. And that makes it really hard if the association gives us drawings that we then can go in, copy and make notations on of what is happening where. Well, that doesn't work if the drawings don't match the actual property. So we can create as-built drawings very rapidly of buildings that'll tell us actually the way that the building is designed, the wall thicknesses, the roof thicknesses. We use this on low slope roofing projects, shingled roofing and sloped roofing projects, asphalt projects. If there's a townhome association or HOA in the suburbs that has miles of roadways weaving through their subdivision or driveways, we can take scans. We can get really accurate square footage measurements of the roadways in that subdivision, and then we can see where the storm drains are, the grading of the roadways, and we can help correct that when we're putting together a plan of repair or replacement so that we can fix those drainage issues in the association. Really, this is a technology that we can't speak any more highly of. These devices are really just saving us a lot of time in the field, which then saves our clients money because it's less time on site for us, less time putting together measurements that are written down on paper and putting those into a CAD drawing digitally. So this just creates a point cloud that gives us so much information and helps us provide a cleaner, more accurate plan of repair for the commercial properties, churches, single family homes, mid-rise, high-rise condo buildings that we're working on in and around the Chicagoland area. So for more information on LiDAR scanning or any of the other services we offer, be sure to check out our write-up on LiDAR scanning on our website, and you can also see our services listed there. Thanks.